Glasses.
Get out of here.
Yeah, crazy.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Oh, man. They videotaping?
There you get the video.
Man, where can I get something like these at?
This Snapchat. These, you know, cheaper than Ray-Bans, amazingly. Snapchat makes them, but here's the catch. You can only download it with Snapchat. Light is there. That's how long it lasts.
Man,
it's crazy. Yeah.
It's cool, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, man.
Yep.
You're cool. So you do movies and what else?
Movies, just all sorts of stuff. First looking so good.
Yeah, they look like strawberries a
They
little
do
bit.
look like strawberries. We got one giant strawberry growing. Look how big. Time to say goodbye to the flowers. They go bad. Got to my film shoot a little early, so I get to enjoy the beautiful Bay Bridge view and this weird construction going on. It's pretty freaky to see that floating there. Somehow they got something stuck up there. You see up there? Somebody put something. This is Cupid's span. Giant arrow. It's freaky. Oh, little turtle. So I came across this really nice area to do a little bit of work. My office where I'm going to be working today is just over there. Nice day. Love the clients that have the free coffee. They're the best. Always the best. San Francisco with that one uphill street. Hey, Mr. New York, how are you?
Hey, I'm well. Here.
How's the trip?
Pretty good.
Nice,
New
nice.
York was fun. A little hectic, I'll be honest.
Oh yeah. This is how it all got started. The Silence in Paradise. Where he said, I'm gonna put it in the museum.
All these photographs, it is exactly how it started, yeah.
Oh, you got the belly. Got the belly. So cool. Shall we do this one? This one's more fun. Okay. You can believe that?
Oh, wow,
This
that's
is
beautiful.
And it only does 6 seconds, but you know, you look at modern cinema,
Wow.
every shot is less than 6 seconds pretty much now. So if you know what you're getting.
Yeah.
So. Look at all the flags. That was pretty cool. You're a nice guy. On selfies.
The
Makes
face is
little-
the same as
Look
always.
at that. That's like a little baby. Oh, that's adorable. This fan is genius. Back massage to Suda.
Ah, that's so good. Ooh. Have you see them? Yeah, they come this time. Every day they came this time. Hey. Hey, stand still.
So this is plastic. Why Berkeley? Why? Oh, thank you very much, sir. Mmm. Yes, I will buy it. My wife said, you must go get this today. I said, okay.
It's gonna be a $6.
All the different backs of the Volvo. And then this one is all the street signs. They got really creative. They took all the street signs from the old one and they made it. And then if you look up here, look at those. They're all from the back of the car. Got a little basil from our home garden outside, a little urban garden basil.